Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from well-known company Airbnb. If you know anything about really nice houses, rentals, anything like that, this might be the perfect position for you. Airbnb has 2,500 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a VIP luxury home specialist. They have an office out of San Francisco. Otherwise, this position is remote for the United States. But I do just ask that if you enjoyed the job leads that I share, let me know. Give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, share with everyone, share with your friends and family so we can all work from home. Now, they're looking for somebody to be a VIP villa specialist. You're going to be catering to the unique travel needs and preferences of high-profile clientele like celebrities, influencers, or other notable figures. So they're looking for someone who knows something about high-quality housing, luxury housing. You are going to be there to provide sound knowledge of the Airbnb Lux homes and destinations offerings that Airbnb has to the guests. You're going to qualify guest needs and provide creative solutions for them. You'll provide personalized and discreet services while ensuring a high level of guest satisfaction, maintaining confidentiality at all times for their identity and where they are staying. You're going to work with multiple stakeholders, including the guests, travel coordinators, the luxury home owners that are renting out their homes, realtors, or other travel suppliers, just making sure that the guest initial contact at the time of booking is completely taken care of. You're going to handle things like the reservation, collecting the payment, evaluating the stay experience after they've stayed. So you'll follow up with them pre-trip and post-trip to make sure everything went smoothly for them, ensuring that all their arrangements are just executed flawlessly and taken into account any last minute changes or unforeseen circumstances that need to be done. These are celebrities, their schedules and things and needs change all the time. Now, while they don't state a degree is actually required, they do highly prefer a bachelor degree in some kind of business administration, hospitality, or tourism. They want somebody who is very passionate and well versed in luxury travel or hospitality, someone who has great selling skills and a professional demeanor. Now, they're also looking for those great communication skills and the ability to work under pressure and adapt to change, because again, these are celebrities where things are always changing. But if this is the skills that you have, pay is very good. Pay starts anywhere from $76 an hour all the way up to $102 an hour. And they do offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.